Hello there, I've just had a delivery from Samsung. It's been a few years since I've had a new phone. This is a Samsung S23 Ultra. It's come through DPD in the UK. And we have our box here, which is our delivery box from Samsung, and it says unbox a galaxy of epic possibilities. So inside is the bill and postage and packing instructions to return your phone, and I ordered an S Pen, a silicone grip case, I do like a silicone case, and underneath all of this in the bottom is my new phone. This has seals on the bottom here. I tend to just stick a nail in. Oh no, it's not going to work this time. They're pull tabs. So you have to lift that up and pull. Same again here. Either way. Carefully don't get them under your nails, that hurts. That didn't work. Ooh. Ooh. I'm going to have to get a knife. Back in a second. I've returned with a knife. Make sure you've got a responsible adult with you. Right, the box is open. All I can see is the lenses. Look at those lenses off the camera system. Oh my heavens. And there it is. Beautiful and green. The cameras are sticking out, little bobbles. You must have seen loads of reviews of the phone coming out before. Lovely, heavy thing. It's quite thick. Wonderful. So that's all you get. To even supply you with a cable, let's see. Obviously no chargers supplied with phones anymore. There is a SIM tool, a quick start guide, and a nice USB-C to C cable. And that, folks, is it. Just in case you're actually interested, I plugged the phone into charge straight away because you should always charge your new phone fully. And it came on at 64%. So I'm going to charge it fully before I start using it, because that is the best way to make sure that the battery's got its maximum longevity. And let's unbox the case I got for it. So I like a silicone grip case. I don't like these wallet type cases. Never have done. Oh, okay, that's right. It's got a hand grip as well, this one. That's nice, I like that. Removable hand grip. So quite good for photography. Just pop the phone in there in its protective wrapping, just so you can see it. That comes up around the edge here to protect the screen, especially very tall top and bottom edge. Less so on the sides, but that's really good. Hopefully that'll give it plenty of protection. I quite like that. And let's unbox the S Pen. So it comes with a little tiny S Pen, but I ordered the S Pen Pro, which is much bigger. Oh, there it is. And that is lovely. That's like a proper pen. And I do like a note type device. And that comes with its own little case. So you slot the pen in there, like so. And this is the nib puller and replacement tips. There's 4 or 5, 1, 2, 3 replacement tips inside of there, and a tip puller. So there you go, S Pen Pro, which will make writing notes a lot easier. Well, that is Unboxed S23 Ultra UK. Thank you for watching.